Let me now demonstrate how to migrate or move your website from one server to another. So it could be from one computer to another, or in this case, it could be you've created your website on a local machine using local WP, like I've demonstrated in a previous video. It's all working, and you want to upload it to SiteGround or GoDaddy or Bluehost somewhere, so you could actually share your website with the world. So to do that, we're going to use a plugin. So we'll go to here in the dashboard, we'll go to the plugins area, and we're going to add a new plugin, and we're going to search for it. It's called All-in-One WP. I think it's Migrator, but it'll find it for us. Here we go, All-in-One WP Migration and Backup. So we're going to install it, and as I demonstrated previously, there's a two-step process. Let's activate it. Once we activate it, you'll notice it'll appear over here in the installed plugin. There it is, All-in-One Migration. This, by the way, is a great backup tool as well if you want to back up your work as you're going. So I'm going to go to the dashboard and notice that there is a All-in-One WP Migration menu item here. I'm going to click on it, and there's some options here: export, import, backups, reset, and schedules. I'm going to go ahead and make a backup by clicking on Backups, and that'll take us to the Backups page. Click on the green Create Backup button. It's going to prepare to actually export this file. It's telling us that it's going to be 120 megabyte export. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And here is my backup. And I'm going to export that backup or download it to my computer in my Downloads folder. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the other website, the other location where you want your website. Let's say that it's to GoDaddy or to Bluehost or SiteGround or something. You're going to install WordPress and then install this All-in-One WP Migration Backup tool. It's free, so go ahead and install it. And then open it up in the other website and choose Import. And then you're going to choose Import from File. And you're going to import the file that you just previously exported. It's going to be a WordPress file format, so make sure that you have this file here. I created a few of them, so I have a 1 after it, but make sure it's that one. If you are doing this on SiteGround, you would simply browse to your computer and upload this file. Clicking on Open will upload it to your new server, and then it will go ahead and go through the import. It's preparing the import. It's warning you that importing the file will replace matching content. Only items that other items will stay unchanged. That's okay, because usually you would do this with a brand new site. It's an empty WordPress site. So you'll proceed to go ahead and then create your new website over the empty website. And then be sure to go up here to the new website and click on Website, and you should see the original website here, and everything should be working. So there you have an example of how to use this All-in-One WP Migration plugin tool to make a backup of your existing website, download that to a safe place so you have a safe backup that you can use to restore the site, and also migrate it to another computer or to another host.